Welcome to Global Days Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. And now, today's event. International Day for Tolerance. What if kindness could stop a war? What if listening could heal a broken community? In a world full of voices, opinions, colors, and beliefs, tolerance is not just an idea. It's the key to peace. Stay tuned to the end as we bring inspiring testimonies of two individuals. Theme: Tolerance builds peace, embracing differences, celebrating unity. In 1996, the United Nations declared November 16 as the International Day for Tolerance, following a special declaration by UNESCO in 1995. The day reminds us that respect, understanding, and peaceful living are not just hopes, they are rights for everyone. The theme: Tolerance builds peace, embracing differences, celebrating unity. It calls on every one of us to stop hate, break stereotypes, and live together, no matter where we come from or what we believe. Tolerance is more than just putting up with others. It's about accepting people as they are, their race, religion, language, or background. When we respect each other, we create a world where peace grows, education thrives, and conflict fades. Nations built on tolerance are stronger. They have better schools, fairer laws, and safer streets. Without tolerance, we open the door to violence, discrimination, and division. Across the world, schools are teaching children about empathy. Communities are holding peace walks and cultural exchange programs. Governments are creating laws to protect minorities. Because of this global movement, hate crimes have dropped in many places, and friendships have grown where walls once stood. Just a quick break, please. If you are gaining something from this and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more inspiring global events. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Now, stories of impact. Testimony 1. Samuel's from Kenya. I used to judge people who didn't speak my language or follow my traditions. Then one day, a friend invited me to a community peace program. I met people from many backgrounds, and I saw how much we had in common. Today, I lead youth workshops on unity. Tolerance didn't just change my thinking, it changed my life. Testimony 2. Anna's from Germany. After moving to a new city, I faced discrimination because of my religion. But a local tolerance group welcomed me, gave me a voice, and helped me feel seen. I now volunteer to help others feel accepted. Tolerance gave me the courage to be myself, and to love others for who they are. Thank you to the unsung heroes. To every teacher, counselor, peace builder, and neighbor who chooses kindness every day, thank you. You don't make the news, but your actions shape the world. You remind us that peace doesn't start in palaces, it starts in homes, classrooms, and hearts. Call to action: your role matters. You don't have to be famous to make a difference. Smile at someone who looks different. Listen instead of judge. Speak up when someone is bullied. If you work in a school, office, or church, create safe spaces for all. Every act of tolerance helps build a better world. In a world full of differences, let's choose understanding. Let's choose peace. Let's choose each other. Happy International Day for Tolerance. Let's raise our glasses to toast and honor the unsung heroes, every teacher, counselor, peace builder, and neighbor who chooses kindness every day, and remind us that peace doesn't start in palaces, it starts in homes, classrooms, and hearts. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Obbe Tere. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next today. The 17th of November, World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims. The 18th of November, World Antimicrobial Resistance, AMRA, Awareness Week. The 18th of November, World Day for the Prevention of and Healing from Child Sexual Exploitation, Abuse and Violence. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.